Dhanvistar Reality. This is Saima Kermani. Today we are at the King of Commercials. अगर आप नवी मुंबई में एक ऐसा कमर्शियल इन्वेस्टमेंट देख रहे हैं जो रेंटल इनकम दे, capital appreciation day and zero vacancy risk, then this video is the most important thing you will watch today. Welcome to the Hallmark by Kamdhenu, the commercial landmark rising in the heart of TTC and MIDC Pune, Navi Mumbai's most powerful business corridor. Here, your business gets the advantage of being surrounded by thousands of manufacturing units, engineering companies, logistic hubs, IT parks, and trading houses. This is where deals are made, brands are built, and opportunities grow every day. With unbeatable connectivity, Thane Belapur Road just 2 minutes away, and Vashi, Airoli, Mahape, and Gansoli all within 10 to 12 minutes. Your team and clients reach you effortlessly. This is the most strategic place to own your office. The Hallmark by Kamdhenu offers smart sites commercial spaces that fit every business at a price far more attractive than Airoli, Gansoli, or Vashi, giving you high rental returns and strong appreciation. Invest where business already happens. Invest where growth is guaranteed. Invest in the Hallmark by Kamdhenu, the commercial address that works for you. Let's talk about the amenities. There are always some benefits when you choose your office with amenities. It uplifts your working style, it uplifts your confidence. So this project is offering you some wonderful amenities like director cabin, gym, gaming zone, conference room, cafeteria, rooftop garden, and reprographic center. Hallmark by Kamdhenu. Here, offices start from 397 square feet carpet, the most demanded size in TTC belt. Well, why? Why the Hallmark by Kamdhenu? The most demanded size in TTC. Manufacturer, traders, consultants, logistic firms, accountants सब इसी रेंज की ऑफिस प्रेफर करते हैं. Why? The Hallmark by Kamdhenu. Easy to rent, easy to manage, perfect corporate front office size, quick occupancy, and high rental returns. Listen up, business owners. नवी मुंबई में सब बोलते हैं लोकेशन मैटर्स, बट वेरी फ्यू नो कि रियल बिजनेस तो TTC, MIDC बेल्ट में होता है. That is why the Hallmark by Kamdhenu is the smart move. यहाँ आपके पास 10,000 plus industries, trading hubs, IT parks, मतलब clients भी यही, suppliers भी यही, and opportunities भी यही. If you are serious about growth, this is not a nice to have. ये must have वाला commercial address है. The Hallmark by Kamdhenu. Business वही होता है जहाँ आपका ऑफिस होता है. Let me tell you the geographic overview. Location TTC Industrial Area, surrounding sectors Turbhe MIDC, Pune MIDC, Airoli and Mindspace, Turbhe, Vashi, Sanpada Belt, Mahape TTC. Industries around the Hallmark. Manufacturing and industrial units, engineering and fabrication, plastic modeling, electrical equipments, chemical trading offices, technology and IITs, Mahape Tech Park Cluster, Millennium Business Park, Reliance Corporate Area. Logistic and warehousing, transport companies, last mile logistics, cold storage and distribution, export-import trading offices, trading and wholesale market, Turbe APMC, industrial raw materials, hardware, sanitary, electrical and tool traders, MSME plus startup zone, small scale industries, sourcing companies, import-export agents, Amazon, Flipkart, sellers. This make Pune TTC a high observation commercial market. What makes the Hallmark by Kamdenu the smartest commercial investment in the TTC business corridor? Why invest in the Hallmark by Kamdenu? Top 10 reasons why choose this project. Strategic TTC MIDC location, ready business catchment, excellent connectivity, high rental demand zone, affordable versus Airoli and Ghansoli, surrounded by multiple growth engine, ideal for MSMEs and SME owners, strong developer credibility, perfect office size for all business types, low risk, high stability market. Commercial offices in TTC rarely remain vacant due to continuous demand from industries, very low vacancy risk plus long-term tenants. Now here is where investors sits up in TTC belt. 1,30,000 per month is the realistic rental income for well-sized commercial units in quality building. This is not the hype, this is market-backed data. Demand both is strong here, but supply limited. So now let's talk about the pricing. Well, we don't announce pricing on video as the real business happens across the table with best and fully negotiable offers. But remember, this TTC belt आज affordable है, but after years it won't be. TTC zone continuously improve हो रहा है and the early entry always bring long-term advantages. बिजनेस वहीं ग्रो होता है जहाँ लोकेशन पावरफुल होता है एंड टीटीसी का पावर हाउस एड्रेस है द हॉलमार्क बाय कामधेनु. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and don't miss the opportunity. Book your site visit today itself.